Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back on with some more entries. I have 2 entries I'm going to share with you in this video. So I'm going to jump right on in, and I want to say thank you ladies for participating. I truly appreciate you supporting my channel and playing along. And so I'm so excited to share this next entry, and it's from Martha S. And I apologize, I'm not sure how to say your last name, so I'm not going to try to say it. I'll try and share your memory dex card once I open up your entry. So here is how her package came, and I just took everything out and I haven't even peeked. I've just cut these packages, so I don't know what's inside of there, but it smells really yummy. Okay, so this is a beautiful card. Look how super cute. It's a sweet treat themed. All right, let me just open it up really quick. Congratulations on reaching 11,000 subbies. This is such an awesome giveaway. Thank you for allowing us to participate. Love, Marty. I'm including 2 bottles of silicone glue. You have to try it. I'm sure you will love it. 1 for you to keep and 1 extra if you want to give away. Enjoy. Oh, I know who this is. She's on Instagram. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Yay. That is so sweet. So, okay, so this is the glue. Oh my gosh, you guys. Nurse Tara 04 was actually telling me about this glue, and I know I was seeing her post on her Instagram feed about this glue, and she said that this glue is like compared to like an actual hot glue gun. So I'll leave her information in the description box below. You guys check her out and check this glue out. I know for a fact Nurse Tara 04 has used this glue, and she was telling me I needed to get some because it works so well. So yay! Thank you so much for sharing with me. I'm so excited about this glue. I've been wanting to try it. All right, that is awesome. Okay, so I'm going to open up her entry. That is so sweet. This package smells so good. And look at her pretty bag. That's so pretty. Thank you for that. So look, here's her little mini loaded bag. I'm just gonna zoom in just a tad, and let me just move this out of the way. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's look at, oh, here's her memory dex cards. I'm gonna open this up. That is such a cute little bag. That is adorable. Where did you get that from? Happy tea time. That's adorable. So here is her memory dex card. It says, "Happy day, sending love your way." Oh, that is so, so sweet. Thank you for that. I love the way you decorated with the pretty paper and the flowers. Super pretty. All right, I'm going to turn it over. Okay. I'm going to hide her address, but she's Martha's Creations on Instagram, and I'll leave her Instagram feed, and you guys check her out and check out that glue as well. It's supposed to be amazing. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Martha, for participating. Yay! She said she always needs the wet glue, silicone wet glue. Okay, that is awesome. I love your card. Let's check out her baking tags, and look at how cute this paper is, that macaron paper. So pretty. I love it. Love it. And she's got some crinkled paper in there to hold up her tag. So she made 3. Here's her first baking tag, and it's absolutely adorable, and it's a shaker. I love it. It says super sweet. Oh, I love how you did that. Oh, she made it out of a coin envelope. Oh, that's really creative. Oh my gosh, what a great idea. And then she's got a little twine at the top. That is so cute. Thank you for that. And she did another one the same way, added her sequins, and she's got a cute sticker and a really pretty bow. I think that's from Dollar Tree, and then the stickers are probably from Michael's. And again, she used that coin envelope. I've shared this envelope in previous videos. What a great idea. I love that. So awesome. And then she has one more tag, and she used a stitched banner die, and it says love, and I think this might be a sticker, and it looks like a donut. And then on the back it says, "When you care enough to send the very best, you make it yourself." Oh, that's so sweet. And then look at the little chef. That is adorable. I love that. Oh, that's so sweet. So thank you, Martha, for sending that in. I truly appreciate you participating and sending me this glue. I cannot wait to try it. All right, I am going to put her entry off to the side. I have one more entry that I'd like to share with you today, and it's from my dear sweet friend SueAnn Thomason. Hi SueAnn, how are you? Thank you so much for sending me a package. She sent me this box, you guys, and so I'm just gonna start taking stuff out. So let's start with her card. Here is her card, and it's got a cute little mixer stamp on the front. Oh, I always love her cards. It says, "Hey, good looking, what you got cooking?" That's adorable. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Oh my gosh, look at this tag. It says, "You're sweet," and look at all of her beautiful layers. Oh, I love it. She's got all the cookies right there, and I love the dies that you used. That is so pretty. I love your tag, and she's got a sparkly heart right there. And then this is her card. Oh my gosh, it's like one of those step-up cards. Look how cute that is. It says, "How sweet." Oh my goodness, look at that adorable image. And she used her dies, and she must have this, I think this is a Sizzix die. And I love the bow that you added right there and the cute hearts. This is adorable. Look, it sits up like that, you guys. Isn't that so cute? This is the cutest card ever. Look at that. It says, "Dear Erica, so happy for you. Love and hugs, SueAnn." And then on the top, it says, handmade by SueAnn Thomason. I'll link her channel in the description box below. Definitely show her some love and check out her channel. And she's also on Instagram as well, so I'll leave that link to her Instagram too. But this card is so adorable. I love it. It's so cute. Thank you, SueAnn. Ah, so cute. Now I kind of want that card die. Oh my goodness. So this must be her entry. I'm just taking it out of the package. What did you send, SueAnn? Oh my goodness. Let's see. She's got it wrapped up in this really pretty paper. It's really nice wrapping paper. Okay, so here is her mini loaded bag. And just look how precious it is. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna put her tag off to the side and then take this out. Oh my goodness, look at her bag. It's so pretty. I love the colors. Look at the front of her bag. She's got a really cute cake, and she die cut it out. She's got a really cute clothespin right here. If I can take it off, I don't want to mess anything up. Let me take these out first. Here are her tags. This is the first one. It says, "From the kitchen of," and she's got this adorable image of this girl, and she's got a cupcake in her hand. And then there's a bowl that says "cupcake mix." That is so cute, SueAnn. You'll have to tell me where you got that image from. I really, really like that. That's adorable. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I love it. Thank you for that. And then she's got another one, and it says "From the kitchen of," and I can put my name, and she's got another cute girl with holding the cupcakes, and it says "Just for you." Oh, that's so sweet. These are absolutely adorable tags. Love. And then look at this one. It says "From the kitchen of," and she's got a pink mixer. Oh, I love that. I wish I had a pink mixer. Oh, and then look at the back. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I cannot wait to use these tags. So cute. And then this is her paper clip, and it says "Something sweet for you." And that is adorable. She used a little cute bow right there. How sweet is that? I will definitely save that and include it in something. And she's got a cute little pom-pom one as well. Look how cute that is. And then that's how she finished off the back of that. That is adorable. It has like little iridescent fibers in the yarn. That's really pretty. Thank you, SueAnn. Love that. All right. Oh my goodness, she sent me a little stamp set, and it says, "You're so sweet." Oh, thank you so much for gifting me that. That's adorable. I don't have anything like that. And then she's got a little card in here. It says "Cupcake," or it's a cupcake. Oh, it's just a cupcake card. Oh, so she's just gifting me a card. That's really sweet. Definitely can use that. And then look at this really fun pic. It's a heart, and then she's got ribbon with a cute Hello Kitty. Love that. And let me make sure I'm focused. You guys can see she just used a straw, so I can add this to my wand collection. That's really, really pretty. Thank you so much for that, SueAnn. And then, let's see, here is her Memory Decks card, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It says, nothing says lovin' like fresh from the oven. Oh, and she's got another adorable image of the girl, and she's baking her cookies. And she's got a little button and a cute ribbon, bow. That is so pretty, and I love the papers that you used. It's so, so cute. Love it. And she's got ribbon. Okay, let me turn it around. All right, I'm just gonna cover up her address, but there is SueAnn's information. That's her YouTube channel, and there she is. She left a picture. Hi, SueAnn. Thank you so much for including your picture. And SueAnn has been one of my longtime subscribers, and truly appreciate, appreciate you sending in a wonderful entry. Love it. Okay, and she has one more thing in this box, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. SueAnn, you are so sweet. Oh my goodness, so she sent me, it says, hi Erica, congratulations, sweetie, and wish you all the success in the world. Thank you for all the inspiration and kindness. Love and hugs, SueAnn. Oh, these are really cute cupcake cards, super cute. All right, let's see what she sent. She's got it wrapped up in this really pretty tissue paper. Oh my gosh. She sent me one of these, it's a recipe book from Target. Oh my gosh. SueAnn, thank you so much. And she even included a dangle. Let me just see if I can take the tape off so I can, well, where are my scissors at? Let me just cut it. Oh my goodness, I don't want to mess it up. But she added one of these dangles. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh. So I cannot wait to play with these. I remember seeing this in Target in their dollar spot. So I truly appreciate you sending me one. I'm definitely going to alter this, and maybe I'll incorporate some of the tags that I received into this, because this is actually something that I've been wanting to do, is alter a recipe book. So this is perfect. Thank you so much for that, SueAnn. That was so super sweet. All right, you guys, leave these ladies a comment, show them some love, and go check out their channels. Thank you for watching today. I will be back. I have more entries, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.